Experience is not something you're born with. It takes effort, hard work, time.
Who said that?
Adventures in Landscaping, a lifetime of experience in just one cut.
Adventures in Landscaping, this is Lauren. How may I help you?
Yes, I'm going on vacation for 2 weeks, and I just can't stand the thought of leaving my baby all alone.
Sir, I don't think we can help you with that. This is a landscaping company.
Oh, no. When I say my baby, I mean my yard.
Thank goodness. We can definitely help you with that.
Hi, this is Joe with Adventures in Landscaping. While we don't specialize in childcare, we will babysit your lawn.
At Adventures in Landscaping, we care about how your yard grows, not just the way it looks. Our licensed professionals are standing by to take your call, so book now for a lifetime of experience in just one cut. Adventures in Landscaping.
Hey homeowners, Joe here, your backyard superhero. At Adventures in Landscaping, we just don't mow your lawn, we super mow your lawn. When you're ready for an upgrade, visit us at adventuresinlandscaping.com because every lawn deserves a hero.